Hello students, this is your science sir. We are discussing the topic of the lesson is electricity. Okay, today we will discuss the subtopic 2.3.5 invention of battery. Okay, students, I told you in our previous video, if there is a single cell, we call it as cell only. The group of cells, I mean, which means more than one cell is called a battery. Okay, so in the cells and batteries and all, the chemical energy is converted into mechanical energy. Chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. Okay, so in that I told you before, the electrolytes are connecting the two electrodes, anode and cathode. These things and all we discussed in our previous video. Today, invention of the battery. Okay, so this battery first invented by one fateful day in 1780, Italian physician, biologist and philosophers Luigi Galvani was dissecting a frog attached to a brass hook. Okay, brass hookனா பித்தால அந்த பின்னு மாதிரி அதை எடுத்து அந்த ஃப்ராகோட லெக்கில் வந்து கட்டிட்டார். ஓகே, as he touched the frog's leg with an iron scalpel, the leg twitched suddenly. That muscles can pulling there, that iron scalpel. Okay, so Galvani theorized that the energy came from the leg itself, but his fellow scientist Alessandro Volta believed otherwise. Okay, listen. Volta hypothesized that the frog's legs impulses were actually caused by different metals soaked in a liquid. Different metals வந்து அந்த லிக்விடில் அந்த ஊற வச்சுருப்பாங்க, அதை டச் பண்ணி டிப் பண்ணி எடுத்து எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டியை கண்டக்ட் பண்ணுதான்னு செக் பண்ணுறாங்க. ஓகே, he repeated the experiment using cloth soaked the brain instead of a frog corpus. You know students, you know brain, BRAIN, brain அப்படின்னா அந்த மூளைன்னு சொல்லுவோம். Here brain, BRINE, is the salt solution. Okay, the salt solution தான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்கிறோன்னா brain, BRINE, brain அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். So that brain, in that brain some the cloth is soaked. Okay, which resulted in a similar voltage. Okay, Volta published his findings in 1791 and later created the first battery. Okay, that battery is nothing but voltaic cell or voltaic battery. Okay, voltaic pile in 1800. The invention of the modern battery is often attributed to Alessandro Volta. It actually started with a surprising accident involving the dissecting of a frog. Students, how the scientist found the battery, you knowing clearly, I hope it. Okay, next we will talk about 2.4 electric switch. You all watching the switch in your home. Okay, why we need switch, why we need electric switch? Okay, so students, our country faces a shortage of electricity. So please we should not waste the electricity. Okay, so wastage of electricity means you are depriving. Okay, depriving means loss பண்ணிக்கிறது. Okay, depriving someone else of electricity. Okay, your electricity bill goes up, so we must use electricity very carefully and only when it is needed. whenever we need that electricity, that time alone we can make it run the electrical appliances. Okay, so we must use the electricity as long as we need it in our household activities. Okay, students, can you remember what you did last year to turn the current on or off? Okay, this time we shall use a switch to run the current on or off. கரண்ட்டை வந்து சப்ளை ஃப்ளோ பண்ணுறதுக்கு அலோவ் பண்ணுறதுக்கும் இல்லை ஸ்டாப் பண்ணுறதுக்கு தான் நம்ம ஸ்விட்சை எலக்ட்ரிக் ஸ்விட்சை வந்து யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். ஓகே, யூ மே ஹாவ் used different kinds of switches to turn your household electric appliances on or off. Switches help us to start or stop the appliances safely and easily. Students, under you are watching different kinds of switches we are using. Okay, taping key, toggle switch, illuminated switch, plug key, rocker switch, slide switch. These are the switches are there. Okay, students, so students, you are going to study about this topic in your higher classes also. Okay, listen, circuit diagrams. If you think the circuit diagram, what are all terms or what are the things is present there, exist there, that only we are going to discuss in the 21st page. Okay, first you seeing we are used to draw the circuit diagram. நம்ம ட்ரா பண்ணோம்னா அதில் என்னென்னலாம் நம்ம போடுவோம், எந்தெந்த சிம்பிள்ஸ்லாம் we can use அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னாக்கா, ஃபஸ்ட்டு symbol. So there is a negative symbol and a positive symbol. Long line is the positive one and a smaller line is the negative one. So this is nothing but battery. So battery is energy source, has a positive terminal and a negative terminal. Next, symbol for connecting wire. Symbol for connecting wire. Okay, so wire connects the electrical components to one another, usually insulated with a rubber covering. Okay, next symbol bulb. Next symbol bulb. Light source, after get the light source, bulb can start glow. Okay, bulb starts glow. Okay, light source consists of metal filament, glass bulb, metal casing and metal tip. Okay, finally we see the symbol for switch on or switch off position. Okay, if the key is open, this is the switch off position. So current flowing is stopped there. Okay, then if the key is closed, there is they allowing the current is the circuit into the circuit. Okay, so controls the flow of electric current அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. Okay, then which will connected with the electrical components, okay, are made up of electrical circuit. So we students, we can classify the electrical circuit into two type. One is closed electrical circuit, another one is open electrical circuit. So students, you know already, if we closed the electric circuit, all those electric circuit with the help of key or with the help of electric switch, so the electrical appliances can start work. Okay, if it is the open circuit, no electric current flows in the electric current, bulb does not light up. Okay, so electric insulator are called wood, glass, plastic, rubber. These are all insulator. So insulator and conductors, about these things and all we are going to discuss later. Okay, electric conductors, metal such as copper, iron. Okay, students, electric circuit, just now I told you about electric circuit. In that electric circuit, so many terms and all we see in there: battery, wire, bulb, switch. and it connected with the electric components, these things and all we discussed already. Okay, so 2.5 electric circuit, it is difficult to draw a realistic diagram of this circuit. The electrical appliances you use at home have even more difficult circuits. Can you draw realistic diagrams of such circuits which contain many bulbs, cells, switches and other components? Okay,